Hi everyone, Agnes here, and today I'm going to go through a broken heart recovery toolbox for those of you that are really struggling with the pain of a broken heart and how difficult it can be, especially in that first month. So what I've done is I've compiled 6 things, and I will put the links to all of these 6 things down in the description for you so you can go through them one at a time in a particular order to start to ease the pain that you've got and the suffering that you feel. And if especially it's affecting your sleeping and your eating and your concentration at work, that this starts to help you lift off and get some relief. Okay? Now, the first thing is a YouTube called Broken Hearted Watch This. So that'll be the first thing to watch, okay? The second thing is a video called What You Can Do When Really Depressed. Number 2. Number 3, feeling emotionally broken. Now this was a viewer's question from someone that was in this very situation, and the YouTube is a response to that. So have a listen to that one as well. Number 4, learn about deeper self-love, and in this video you'll have 3 clear tips. Number 5, really start to learn how your energy attracts or repels. So this video will be a little bit of information and learning for you. Okay? Number 6, a video called Why They Don't Love You Back. So again, it's just so that you can have a bit more understanding, so that as you learn and grow your self-love and self-worth, you can then know what not to do next time, so that you can avoid these broken-hearted situations in future as best we can. Now, I'm going to add one bonus video. Now, this is about Ho'oponopono. Now, as you know, Ho'oponopono is about clearing old memories and sweeping your side of the street, and then releasing emotion when you have stuff that's stuck because of childhood, and it's clearing that old stuff, the old memories, the old emotions, the old pain, because your body is like a suitcase and it holds on to these emotions until such time where something in the present scratches that old wound, and then the emotions come to the surface. So I will put all these things down for you, and I also sending you lots of love, and just remember that this will pass. I've been there about 5 times myself. I really know how it feels, and it feels like you're going to die in the beginning, especially in that first 24 to 48 hours. The feeling of I'm going to die is really strong for many. So hang in there, know that there's hope, and know that this will pass, but it's very much a time to do some clearing, to release, to feel your emotions, to make space to let them out frequently, and then what happens is the spaces in between get bigger over time. So lots of love to you, and I will see you as always in the next YouTube.